So we're going to the Royal Selangor Centre. How did you find out about this?
I just knew that some computer was made in Kuala Lumpur or made in Malaysia. In fact, a funny fact actually that I shared with her was not aware of this, and I know she loves pewter.
Catherine, do you love pewter?
I do.
Abby, what's your pewter thoughts?
My sister loves pewter. That's my thoughts about that.
What do you think, Mrs. Kenning? I didn't know that pewter was made out of tin.
You guys want me to take a picture of you guys? And the reason we chose handprints, just to remind you guys, our pewter.
Really like the trip here went on. Grab driving was really lovely. And I don't know how he can make a living when he only charged us the equivalent of $10 New Zealand for that big long journey.
It's only half an hour driving for $10.
Yeah, what a deal. And I really like the infrastructure in Kuala Lumpur. Really good roads, really pretty plantings. It's really green and lush. And it's more prettier than Honolulu. And that's pretty big for me, so I love it.
Yeah, so Malcolm, just remember that. Hey, what's... we were looking, Catherine?
Yeah, where's that bring you guys to? Even though you're like, where are we going? Where are you, Catherine? Where are we going?
Where are we going?
This is where I'm taking you to.
To the water.
It's in there.
Check it out. What is it? That's right. We have made it to Petronas Towers. And there is a whale in front of us. Well, it's a metal whale. That's cool. It's real cool. Oh, here we are on the bridge. Catherine's taking photos. She's taking photos of Catherine taking photos. And this is still the tower.